This is the poster.
This is the middle.
Yes, this is the mini. This is the SNY.
But imechi ihe anyị niile emekete imechi ihe na-eme na ma ọbịa ngwụma posta ị na-ebi ejeche na mmiri ijekwe church again.
Yes, on Adinumana, if you settle the ancestors, settle everything, when you go to church, carry your hand up, miracle could happen.
If you settle all your
everything, the grant.
You can't go church, go begin.
Yes.
Wow.
Sebi, when you people are entering, that is where they are calling me. I should come and handle one church. The woman promised me that any day that I come to church, she will give me 50,000.
You can't handle church.
I can't handle one of the ministry.
But if you go now to go handle the ministry, now you go leave your own and be that.
No, I have a day that I go his own.
Power.
I have a day that I go for his own.
But your church people know the verse say they do native, they do church.
How they go verse? So we made them come and receive miracle.
Like this way it be now. You don't say they do church, they do native doctor. How you tell they know say this one are the spirit from the angels now in the command, they talk to you and the one will be saying that the spirit from your ancestors.
The ancestors come. Ancestors will hold offer. The spirit of the other spirit will hold Bible. So immediately I see person that hold Bible, we know that is from church people. If immediately I see people that hold offer, I will know that is native.
From Njiche.
Yes.
And they know the verse for you say they jam the whole thing together.
Then tell me, now then give me the permit.
They don't give you go ahead.
Yes.
And your church people know the verse say they do tradition, they do church.
They know the verse. So.
What will be the name of your church?
Christ's favor.
What will be the name of your native Omena and Ogwu?
Igwe Beach user and Haimo.
Yes.
So this is my shrine there. Over there, you can't go there. You can't video it. So the name of the shrine, Igwe Beach user La Haimo. Because he's there on the road. Anybody that pass, you greet. They always greet him and they greet them. So.
Well done. Now today I see people they do church and native doctor all in one place. You choke. Like this.
Eba na bu nnukwu alụsị. Ebulozu agafe eba.
Ebulozu agafe.
Ebulozu agafe. Look for another one. Okay. These three now. The people that there's some people that do bad thing. If everything person do bad thing in our community, one of them go die.
One of the three go die.
Yes. So the community will rise and ask what is happening. Okay. So this one now, where he die, they go for this thing. Then come kill goat, do all the sacrifice, and the things have already come back to life. There is somebody that want to be serving the shrine. So the man, they want to give him bed this Obollo-Afor. So the shrine say he go steal somebody's fowl. Can't keep for them. Now make the tree can die.
So you want to give shrine something? Can't go thief fowl.
A thief fowl carry and come. The tree can't die. So they come back and do everything. Tell the man make it come out. The tree come back to life. See the tree.
And this only one I remember.
Yes.
Hi. You see again, Dimas and Crab, the queen of African culture. And today I am with someone very unique, someone with extraordinary powers, someone that create history in his community here. We're live in Ogwu, in Enugu State. So I'm here to find out what makes him very unique. I was told about him and I was like, okay, let me go and find out myself and find out from him those things that makes him very unique. So I will allow him to introduce himself to us, then tell us those things that make him very, very unique. So you can introduce yourself to my camera like.
Okay. Hi, Kaminus Okolume. My real name, native name is Mada Konam. My baptismal name when I in the church is Kaminus. Confirmation name is Isaiah. I born in Ogwu, Obollo-Afor. Ibite. This place is Amakpro Ibite Obollo-Afor. I've been born there. Down here is where they born us. They born me. At the number me in the hospital. Then born me in the backyard, inside the bathroom. I will show the bathroom and everything. And since then, I was started my life. After some, according to my mother, when I be 3 months, I dead. And then take me to the graveyard. After digging the ground to put me, one man come out and say, why are you going to bury this child that is not dead? He give them something to put in my eyes, in my nose, in my mouth and everything. And me, I wake up. After everything, I enter secondary school. No way. I come out. I enter to serve my master. I serve my master at 9 good years. And my master settled me at Lagos, 49, Papa Jawumushi, Lagos. After then, I have shop at Olanibi, 48, Olanibi Street. I've been doing well, but they say that issue of call. The issue of call make me anything I put hand, nothing goes on. I begin to get problem in my business. That time I enter importation. If I bring market, nobody will buy until the market will enter the knowledge in the warehouse. I begin to ask questions, learning up and down. After everything, I leave Lagos. I learn to the learning that maybe the spirit will leave me. Let me learn for the spirit that living in the Lagos. I live there. As I started my shop, I have 2 shops at Ilorin, electronics and electrical. After 9 years living in Ilorin, then there's a day that I came back from market. I bought 3 bus, Hummer bus. After offload, I hear a message, go to your village and go and do prayer. And if you fail to do, they will carry your coffee to the village. And I asked the people, I don't have money, I just come back now. They say I should look up that I will see person. And when the man enter, the man buy the market of 400 and something thousand immediately. They say I should use the money, enter motor to my village. I said to, time don't go. How can I see motor? They say I should look up. I look up, I see a bus, Peace Transport. They say I should stop the Peace that is going to Enugu State. I stop. The priest stop. I say, are you going to Enugu State? He say, yes. I said, do you have chance? He says, you will remain only one person. And I enter. I enter but 3 cloth. And when that time I called my mother still alive. My mother say, if you have everything you are doing, make sure you bring one of your engine that you are selling in the shop. And I bought one of the dormer. I will show the dormer. And everything, the 3 bus I off-road, I reach my village, then say I should not go back to the place again. And I stay. After I called the 11 sisters, explained to them, and they went. They said the whole market is scrap. The bus, they opened the engine, they meet water. The front and back hook. That nothing, they don't have any option to say the things scrap. And the later, last 2 years, they sent 45,000 naira to me for the bus and the home market in my shop, inside my shop. And I cry. And my mother console me and say, as far as you are alive, you still have hope. And I continue. When I reach village, they do election to my community. They say I will be task force chairman. When I be task force chairman, I stand, work faithfully. The land bless me. I work faithfully. Till when you hear allocation that NEPA is coming, we went and meet them. They say that nothing can make NEPA to come to this our community. And we go and consult the oracle. The oracle showed us where the problem is. That blessing that's coming to our community, that this is where the blessing, where you reach, you will stop. Other communities will join. We will begin to suffer. And I asked, what can we do? They say you should bring men goat and tell us a lot of things to do the sacrifice. We come back and bought everything and do the sacrifice. After the sacrifice, we don't call it cut, we call it in our language, we are barbing. We are barbing the shrine because you can't cut the tree, you can't cut the shrine, but you can barb the shrine, you can shave the shrine so that breeze to come. We use collar and the other same beg the shrine that you want to shave so that breeze to be entering there, and you permit us. We begin to barb. There is some that refuse that you can't enter there and do anything in the daytime. There is some who shave it by 3 o'clock midnight, some 2, some 12, some in the afternoon. And after everything we shave, since that day is something come and pinch me for this my leg. I scratch like this. As I scratch like this, the thing starts. And now, if this leg no eat money, you don't eat more than 20 to 15 million. I later even went to the court. The white man told me that they can't cut the leg, that I should go, that one day should be one day, the leg will go.
But they cannot cut the leg.
They can't cut the leg. Before the cutting of the leg, they said I should go and bring somebody that will sign for me. All my friends, everybody ran away. Said they can't. The white man says, Shebi told me that I should go and look for the shoti. And they can't cut the leg. That the thing will just suffer me after suffer for years that I will go. I said, okay. I stand. Ebe a na bụ nnukwu alụsị, ebulu ozu agafe ebe a. Ebulu ozu agafe. Lekwa another one. Lekwa ebe a. So after kuchara isi, ma pole, macha pole, ọkụ gaba. Otu ka isi kwe kpụrụ isi labada. Ọhịa bụ ya.
This no mgbe gbuchiri actually we talk na-ekwero abịa igbujiche dị osu.
That week I cut the osi ka ndị NEPA mbịa ma polu bido we wire.
And that time when this thing happen for your leg.
Mgbe I ga-butecha engine bụ ya ọkọ kọba m kọba ọkọ otu ka ihe si wee bido.
Okay, now since when they cut the tree finish, then that thing started to do your leg, and since that time, thing never go to you. How many years now?
Since when they cut them, lead today, you know go. If you go, you go come back. If you go, you go come back.
But you don't try to come to appease to the tree where they cut that time.
Yes, I have already begun to appeal with them.
Okay, so that they will forgive you.
So that they will forgive me. And now, they give me the medicine that I should put it. When the medicine that I put, I don't even feel them now. Okay. I can imagine.
Okay, unlike that time.
Before I can't do so. Even to waka is war.
So they need to carry dead body pass.
They need to carry dead body pass. Anybody that carry dead body pass, the whole family will die.
The whole family will die?
Yes.
The person die for this community, how did they carry the person come?
He go carry and go another place. Come down, come here. He can't carry dead body pass. This is the shrine.
Yes. Okay, that's the shrine there.
This is the shrine at Ngelike. That is called Ngelike Obollo-Afor. He used B. That is Hindi Igbo Polango. Na alụ ọlụ. onye ihe mmadụ chọrọ mme gị ikpokwo ngelike ụbọchị ya gbalụ gị mkpu. If you call the shrine make you come help you, it will use B and come.
So as this place will stand now, this whole place they carry dead body pass here.
They know they carry dead body pass for since origin.
And at this particular place when NEPA come, the tree no agreement NEPA pass.
Yes.
Enter the community.
Yes, unless until where we cut it.
Until now one cut the tree, NEPA come enter. As no cut and finish, then that thing come they do it for legs. So.
Yes.
Since that time.
Yes.
I got to go over. Omo. So this place is a sacred place. So.
It's a sacred place.
For the whole community.
Like this side where these people there now, woman know they talk there.
The other side, so woman know they go there.
Woman know they there they talk.
Okay.
Woman know they go there they talk.
I see that three they here, three.
It's plenty, but
the three where they together.
these three now, the people that there's some people that do bad thing. I mean, if everything person do bad thing in our community, one of them go die.
One of the three go die.
Yes. So the community will rise and ask what is happening. So this one now, where he die, they go for this thing. Then come kill goat, do all the sacrifice, and the things have already come back to life.
Oh, when he can't die, they can't kill goat to do sacrifice. He can't come back again.
Yes, you can see it that he have already come back to life again. You see, say the thing drive from taproot to the. So when they do it, there is somebody that want to be serving the shrine. So the man he want to give him bed this Obollo-Afor. So the shrine say he go steal somebody's fowl. Can't keep for them. Now make the tree can die.
So you want to give shrine something? Can't go thief fowl.
A thief fowl carry and come. The tree can't die, so they come back and do everything. Tell the man make it come out. The tree come back to life. See the tree.
And this only one I remember.
Yes.
So if something big happen, this one too go come die.
So this one now, it's the same thing. Make them 4. Okay. The same person, second person go. He go where he won't come serve them. He go fowl for them. He can't go where they do burial. He no get money. He can't go there go bring pine wine. Now I make this one 4.
Wahala. He no get money to buy pine wine. Can't give the 3.
Yes.
Go carry the one where they do burial. Can't give her.
Yes. Now I make this one die.
So this place now is a sacred place. Eh?
So yes.
This place is a sacred place like
it's
this.
a sacred place.
Okay.
This is it. This is the tree. So and now we youth we have already come out to make everything to be good so that the shrine will be working for us. So and I'm praying by this time, if you come here from by this time next year, you will see says here will be life free. You will see says here will be life free. So those things, anything that happen here is a sign from the community. Community will go and ask what is happening. So that is it. It's the shrine called Obollo-Afor.
Obollo-Afor.
Obollo-Afor. That is called the shrine.
That's the name of the shrine here.
Yes.
And you say now when the person was supposed to worship this place, go burial.
Go burial, go bring pine wine. Where they take do burial. Come pour for ground. Now this one for. The other one, they say now they stay foul. Can't do sacrifice.
Now the tree can't die.
Now the tree can't die.
When they come peace and finish, you can't come back to life.
You can't come back to life. You can see it. Yes. So that is it.
I think this place is called
Obollo-Afor.
Okay. Yeah. And at this particular place, this thing will be the reason of this thing will happen to your leg.
It's the same day we do all those ones. This one now, we cut it by afternoon. But there is some why we show you people that they can't go there, they can't do anything there in the afternoon. It's in the night.
And I want to call this if you that thing can't do it for legs too.
Yes.
So the shrine can't the verse for you.
Yeah, then the verse said there's some sacrifice where they're supposed to do. They will not do it. But But now we do everything.
I still dey carry dead body pass here.
They know they carry dead body pass. Any dead body go reach here. They go carry either they carry am go pass the other side. The ambulance go just pass. The ambulance have power to pass, but dead body no fit pass.
So what if they come dey do something, a person come for here die?
It can't.
It's no dey possible.
It can. It no dey possible. No dey possible because the shrine is for protection.
Where are we now?
This is Aliamoje. There is one Iloko tree that covers here. We do the same thing we do in the up for here. Before because we reach. If you watch the pole, you see say they shift it because of the line.
Okay, they reach here, can't divert them.
Yeah, because of the line.
Yeah.
So that is it.
When I call the tree,
yes.
What's going happen?
The way we call the tree, it use bee to pursue everybody. More than 7 days, nobody pass here.
More than 7 days?
Yes. Before we do this, do sacrifice, the bee go back before everybody begin to pass.
After on a cut and the thing can use bee pursue everybody? Pursue
everybody, cross here, nobody they pass here.
The whole community no pass here 7 days?
Nobody pass here 7 days.
Okay, now made them divert this pole, pass like this. They reach there, cross on the other side?
Yes, they no make you go here. Tamper the place.
Wow. That's good.
So that cultivate here, immediately clear here, it die.
Immediately clear the line, finish, it die?
Yes. It's children that come do sacrifice before they cultivate. And this line now tell them says this is the bundle. They should not enter inside.
Wow. So now this thing and a fence, now this flower they use and do fence, now enter.
And this one is fence. Okay,
the thing pass like this.
Yes.
After the man cultivate everything, finish, clear the land, finish, it die.
It die. This thing kill him. It die.
And after that, they can't do fence now to demarcate where the fence between the shrine and the other land.
Their land. Okay. They say this one are their land, this one are shrine.
So person no fit cross now go the other side, go do anything.
Go lie. Unless he won't go, the person that giving the shrine food can go there and do anything. And the firewood, they know they cook them.
They know they use and cook.
They know they use and cook. If you use and cook, the person go die.
Any firewood we collect for use to cook, you go die.
And the other one, the same thing.
They know they use and cook food.
They know they
cook anything.
If you fall, now there you go there lot. They know they use and cook.
The person will come insist they won't go carry their cook.
You anything where you see, make you take. Now our tradition.
And the whole people for here know.
Yes.
People get tradition though.
The person people. Anybody will say tradition not there. It's a lie. Tradition is real. And if you do the tradition of your place, things are going to be well. When we do the tradition now, so you see, we have light. Even as we are talking now, there is light. You people will bear me witness, there is light. Yes. So our light is standby.
After another appeals to the gods, beg and say, oh, una need light to make verse again, say una concord, una no appease them.
And the youth, everybody they progress now. Things is moving. This bridge now is, after we do this thing, somebody come, it's one person that built this bridge. It's not a politician, it's just a businessman.
Tradition day, person say tradition no dey, tradition day.
So much my land. After 4 trip of tipper that I mowed block, where that battle is going on, the land open. I eat the block.
The land open and eat the block?
Yes, and this is the sum of the pieces.
Okay, some of the pieces of the block. Then.
Yes. So the whole block, the land open, I eat it.
Just like that? That
is it, when the battle is going. So, but now, I'm thanking God. When I enter tradition, somebody have already, God will give me the one that passed, and their ancestors will give me the one that passed this one.
Wow. Like this, now you've been mud block here like this.
If you say if it's the right season now, we see many of them. You will see the top that broke through here, but land, everything sink.
That time we never accept to go back to the tradition.
Yes. Anything I put hand, they will destroy it.
So now you get this full land here now.
I mean, got it. Now my land be that. Even it's like if you go the other side, you can see some pieces of some block. Let me check the other side.
Our land open, everything enter inside.
Yes.
Enter ground.
Enter ground.
Hey. The thing really disturb you well. Hey. I never see this kind of type of wahala. The place the grass full here, you know if you enter inside though. You know if you enter inside though.
Okay, see some of the blocks.
Where?
Let's have one with them. I could lay. Nkeka bani be yala.
Okay.
Inside
there. Even see another one here. All these ones here.
No. Then can do kaka bani be yala. Abule jima na kulia ya ifia. About 40,000 pieces of block. The land eat it.
Places don't happen to you. I don't see reason why the thing push you can't come back to tradition.
So this is.
So where would they like this? This
is called Ogwu.
Okay.
This is the tree. This tree now. It faced this building. Even the way we cut it by 3 o'clock midnight. This is it. This is it.
Okay, we now cut them by 3 o'clock midnight.
3 o'clock midnight. He said you should not come here during the afternoon. By midnight, now we cut it. So this is the tree. They know they cook them.
They use them cook?
Yes.
Then they did it roti like that.
You can't roti. This is how many years? It got into more than 10 years now.
And it did like that?
Yes.
So what do they call them?
Ogwu. Yes. Nkabungu. This is called Ogwu.
What is the tree we they do like again?
It's a shrine in our praise that giving us power.
Okay. Particular tree now. Like.
Yes. So we face this building. But when we want to, after the sacrifice, when they cut it, he just carry, he said he will not spoil something. Immediately then do the sacrifice, he carry himself and put inside bush.
Okay, no comfort inside the
house. No comfort inside the house where everybody expect. So.
But they see the worship until now.
Yes, we see the worship him.
What do you call the tree?
Ogwu. Ogwu.
Now the tree be same one no cut them for daytime and midnight.
Yes, we will go consult the Olako. Olako say we should not cut it within the day. It's in the night. They will cut it. It's beside my land.
Wow. And the thing they rot, they do any.
You cannot, You can't do anything. So this is the final one. Ngwez mezu. Oboli. This is the final one. Ngwez mezu. This Ogwu now is giving us power as a traditional man. So, as this to tell my people, this is our Ngwez mezu. I want to tell people that Ogwu is doing tradition. That our tradition is come back. Akotupanka. Look where. I want Ngwez mezu. All the whole community have this one. So this one also go to this house. But when they want to do it, you can see the mouth, the branches, it touch the mouth of the building. Even some of them, the man changed the pan. The people change the pan. So this is the final one. After we do it, everything, before the light enter. So we are here to tell the whole Nigeria that we, Ogwu, we have already come back to our tradition. And we are praying. Let people come and assist us. Let our tradition be moving on. Those that say there is nothing like tradition, tradition is real. Tradition is real. I'm calling the whole world to see our tradition. I have already showed many places. Let them come and join us to celebrate.
So when people worship this place now, they come to this place.
Even this morning, we then kill things for them, do everything. That time that you people are coming, so we see people eating, drinking, is the shrine they do. So when we are doing it, youth come out, elderly men come out. We be eat with one cup. We drink with one cup as a tradition demands. We eat with one plate. After everything, then we pour then cook anything, then use those shrine. Then pour it in the place. Everybody will come and put hand. Except the person that do abomination. We never put
abomination.
Hand. Yes, that we never put hand.
If your hands are clean, you eat. Everybody will eat in one place.
Everybody will eat in one place.
And drink in one place.
Yes.
Drink in one cup. So.
Yes.
So what do they call this place?
Ogwu Ezumezu. Ogwu Ezumezu.
Is there any time that people celebrate, do any sacrifice here or every time?
Anybody can come. This one, they no get fixing date to celebrate it. But if you want to power, if you want to do business, if you need protection, he will come and beg. He will beg the ancestors. The ancestor will give you power. And when the ancestor give you power, no human being, nowhere you go, that something will hook you.
That's good. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Well, tradition. Tradition, they say tradition is real. Like, I'm seeing it. They say people's culture is people's way of life. And when you talk about the tradition, many people have tradition that guides them. That in the whole community, when you go, you must see tradition that people abide with. That has been something that their forefathers, their ancestors were practicing, and them too continue to practice it. Tradition is real. Thank you guys. I see the Mayor Dimas and Craft the Queen of African Culture. Don't forget to follow me on social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As I will be bringing you more and more. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Wow. You know, easy, tradition.